Hi, my name is Kelsey Laird, and this is my lesson plan for second grade over media literacy. Our Common Core alignments are SL 2.1A, follow agreed upon rules for discussion. SL 2.3, ask and answer questions about what a speaker says in order to clarify comprehension, gather additional information, or deeper understanding of a topic or issue. SL 2.1.C, ask for clarification and further explanation as needed about the topics and texts under discussion. W2.8, recall information from experiences or gather information from provided sources to answer a question. SL 2.1, participate in collaborative conversations or discussions with diverse partners about grade 2 topics and text with peers and adults in small and larger groups. Our objectives and outcomes. Students will be able to identify different types of media. Students will create a poster that focuses on a specific audience and describe why they drew a certain illustration. Students will be able to ask and answer questions about media literacy. Students will collaborate with other students to research different types of media. Students will be able to apply knowledge of a classroom rules by being respectful, listening to others, and speaking one at a time when discussing at the carpet. The materials needed for this lesson are the internet, a computer, blank paper, media literacy video with this link right here, PowerPoint, pencils, colors, and a rubric. What is ethics and copyright? Ethics is trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. Copyright is a law that gives the owners of books, pictures, or other creative work where they can decide what to do with it. This is important to remember when we work with the internet. Opening to our lesson. Our students will be divided into groups of 4. Each group will receive a piece of paper with these media examples, like a newspaper advertisement, TV commercials, photographs, memes, and video games. Each group will have 5 minutes to look up examples on their computer of these media examples. This will allow each group to see that media literacy is composed of more than one thing. Our body to the lesson. What is media literacy? It is the ability to identify different types of media. It makes up video games, TV commercials, newspaper advertisement, magazines, memes, photographs, videos, social media, and so much more. By watching this video, the students will be able to see what media literacy is. Questions to remember. It is important to remember these 5 questions when viewing literacy. Who created this message? So who's the author? What is being used to attract my attention? How will other people understand this message? What is being used in this message and being left out? Why is this message being sent out to people? Body of lesson description. After the opening to the lessons, the students will return to the carpet. The students will watch the video on media literacy. Once the video is complete, students will ask questions such as, would street signs be media literacy? How is my video game media literacy? What is not media literacy? What message is the creator trying to send? After the students ask questions and complete the video, we will move on to guided practice. Modeling. The lesson will be student-centered. The students will complete the opening of the lesson where the teacher is the facilitator. The students will complete the guided activity with the teacher, but the students will be working together to answer the questions about logos. Our guided practice is, can you tell the logo? What logo is this? Wait for the students to answer. Is this how the real logo looks? What is wrong with it? This logo is McDonald's, but the color is wrong. What logo is this? Is this how the real logo looks? What is wrong with it? This logo is the Xbox logo, but it is upside down, so it is wrong. What logo is this? Is this how the real Mickey Mouse looks? What is wrong with it? Mickey Mouse does not look like this in real life. He is red in this picture, and he is not red in real life. What logo is this? Is this how the real Cheetos looks? Is something wrong with it? This is the real Cheetos logo. There's nothing wrong with it. What logo is this? Is this how the real Lego logo looks? Is something wrong with it? This is the real Lego logo. All the colors are correct. Independent practice. Students will create a poster that targets a specific audience. Examples: sports lovers, animal lovers, food lovers, movie lovers, etc. They will use their knowledge of media literacy to create their poster by remembering the questions when creating their poster. The students will have 20 minutes to draw and color their poster. The students will come back to the carpet after the 20 minutes is complete. Each student will share their poster with the class. The student will describe what audience they are targeting and why they drew each illustration. They will be grading using the rubric. Importance. By learning what media literacy is, students are able to answer questions such as who is the author, why is it created, and more. Media literacy is all around us. It is important to know what it is to be able to determine why someone created it and for what purpose. It is critical that students are aware of media literacy. It will help them research, determine what is true and false, and see different views of the same literacy. The students will be graded on their poster presentation using this rubric. Each student will have a copy of the rubric while creating their poster. They will be graded on student used color on their poster, student explained what audience they were targeting and how the illustrations corresponded, and students completed poster assessment in a timely manner. Modifications and differentiation. These slides will have images for those who need visuals during the lesson. For those who need extra time completing the assignment, they will be given the extra time to meet their needs. Students will receive verbal and written instruction for those who need both. If a student does not want to present in front of the whole class, I will allow the student to present the poster in front of me in the hallway. If a student needs extra instruction, the teacher will be walking around. Students will be able to raise their hand to read the rubric. Thank you for watching my media literacy lesson for second grade.